The question is write equations of the following reactions: Friedel-Crafts reaction, alkylation of anisole. So Friedel-Crafts reaction is basically name is also known as alkylation. Okay, so this is anisole. So when it reacts with CH3Cl in the presence of anhydrous AlCl3 and CH2, we get these two products. This is major, the para product is major, and this is minor product, the ortho product. Second is nitration of anisole. This is anisole reacted with H2SO4 and HNO3. So again we get two products. The para product is in major and the ortho product is in minor quantity. Third is bromination of anisole in acidic medium. So this is anisole. It reacts with Br2 in some acidic medium. You will take ethanoic acid in this case. So again, it will form two different compounds. Again, the para product will be major in quantity, and the minor product will be ortho. Fourth is Friedel-Crafts acetylation. So again, it's similar to the Friedel-Crafts alkylation. So this is anisole. We reacted with CH3COCl. Just the difference is we have CO carbonyl group here, and in the presence of anhydrous AlCl3. Again, we get two products. The para product is major and ortho product is minor in quantity.